I got a listing opportunity. It was a really great opportunity on the water. And what I did was reach first out to the builders, not in the whole Miami area, but in that particular area, because that's the lowest hanging fruit. I called 5 people, and 2 of them wanted to buy the property. I told them that it was an off-market opportunity and that they would have to purchase it with me because it's an opportunity that's not on the market. And both of them wanted to buy it, and I sold it to one of them. And at the same time, when they signed the purchase agreement, I made sure to get a listing opportunity from them, and I signed listing agreement that if they were ever to sell the property, I'm going to be the listing agent. Of course, I had to make sure I had my marketing material in place, and I showed them that I'm really good with pre-construction properties. And it was absolutely a no-brainer for the buyer to use me as the listing agent if they are to resell the property. So that way, I created my own inventory. I think that we as agents sometimes really underestimate the value we have and bring to the table.